So back to business. Today we are going to be analyzing the British pound. I hope you guys you enjoy this one. What do you think about GBP USD?
The pound is an interesting pair.
I
Moves.
I hate this pair.
Yeah.
I've
Why?
got a bad history.
It
I
has
always
energy,
I always take
my
L's
guy.
on this pair. Like
Oh.
it's too volatile in my
Yeah.
you know I'm an emotional person, so
It's volatile. It's very volatile. But then the market. There's
Yeah.
nothing new in the market. Everything
Yeah.
just revolves around histories.
yeah, that's true. That's
So
true.
the
That's
pound is one of those currencies that have been there for a long time, and it's quite a steady currency.
true. Yeah. That's
So
a fact.
let's just analyze it and see what we can find.
I hope you guys you enjoy. So we are on our 4-hour time frame.
Yeah. So we want to do a bit of a history analysis to see where prices moved and where it will be going. So as you can see, we have this zone here, this high.
Okay.
So this high is quite a strong high because price was selling like it changed character on this high, like price sold and broke these other lows from this high. And then so price retested it and then it started selling off quick as soon as possible. So it's a zone of interest here. It's a zone of it's quite a zone of interest.
Yes.
As you can see. So now we saw that price sold and created some sort of like a head and shoulder. Yeah. And then it started buying.
Started buying. Yeah.
So as price was buying, it created lows, strong lows, which are important because they were breaking structure going upward. Like for example, this low right here. Let me just mark it quickly. Then let me move it up a bit. This low.
So sorry guys for the background noise. Chirikuchua.
Yeah, we
Trade and we
everywhere we are, we trade.
Yeah, we
Whether
trade,
we are
so-
in the tubes, we trade. Whether we are in the
Yeah,
bus, we trade. So
we are-
sometimes
we are-
don't mind us. You might hear mining machinery in the background.
Yeah.
But anyway, we
we are
can't stop
trading. Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So we have highlighted this low, and we have highlighted this low, and we are just going to highlight this, right? And then this one is also our way price. Let me just highlight it like here. This point, let's highlight it. In the very longest long run here. But since it's a 4-hour chart, I will take prices much time is possible.
Patience is key,
Yeah, patience
especially in this industry.
in this industry, man, you have to be patient.
You have to be patient.
Because if you do your trades hastily, you might lose a lot of money. Yeah. So as you can see here, guys, we have these swing lows, these double bottoms. Sorry, guys. Here.
Okay.
Right? Exactly. We have these lows here.
This lows, yeah.
There's so much liquidity in these lows, and as you can see, price is moving as fast as possible to break below these lows and probably reach our low here.
Some call it clean lows.
Yeah.
Is it correct?
Yeah, it's clean lows. So it's clean lows. Some call it double bottom. Do you know why they call them clean lows?
Yes.
Because they are lows here, and then price usually clean them.
Okay.
Usually breaks them.
Them. Okay.
And then people lose as much liquidity as possible. The other accounts are cleaned out.
That okay.
So we just expect price to dip below this
Lows.
and probably to hit this low.
Okay.
But do you know what's interesting about here? Because as you can see, price was price here was creating this sort of like this upward trend. That's upward trend here. Price was creating upward trend.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
then it broke it, and then it started selling here.
Again, also there is another downward
there's
trend.
another downward trend over here.
What trend? I don't know.
Yeah. There's also this trend. And it looks like price broke it here, and if you go to the lower time frame, it broke out and some sort of like retest. So as you can see, price is in a channel here, but then this channel is broken here.
Okay.
So we're expecting price to reach this zone. Yeah, prices was we have liquidity around these lows. Like we have people who bought these lows here and here, and usually price will scoop them out or get them.
Okay. So don't you think price is going to come back and reach this block? I don't know. Is it still valid?
Yeah. And you know price. Yeah. So price can. Yeah, there are two probabilities. You see, price either was we were expecting at least price to sweep here and then gain enough liquidity to break here, like to do something like this, and then something like this. But then price didn't do that. So,
Okay.
So because here usually we are having this favor liquid, price just sold rapidly. Like price just sold here, and so. But then, what I'm saying is, if you see this low, price rejected this low, and then it rejected here, and then rejected here.
Okay.
Like here.
Yes, right there.
Right there.
Okay.
Price reached this zone, and reached this zone, and reached this zone, and then these zones were taken out by this low. This zone, these weeks, they were taken out by this low. So if I'm expecting price to reach this zone, I'm expecting price to just pump a bit and go below this low usually.
Okay, so
because look at what price has been doing. It's been going up. So we're expecting price to break structure and then create maybe a low which is not higher than these lows. Because as you can see from this zone, price created a low, price created a high, and then another high, then another high, then another. So we can expect a bullish trend. Like for example, if price clean these lows, it may do something like this. And then go to this low.
How long is price going to reach this zone? Like I thought maybe it's going to be a very quick movement or what?
Okay, this zone.
Yeah.
Price. Maybe we can expect news. Because news usually cover those zones.
That's why I always use .b. You can switch to .b, our AI chatbot tool that helps us with all. You can check if there is any upcoming news event or so that we are not caught on the wrong side.
Exactly. So guys, we then come to .b.ai, our AI chat tool we use to analyze the market.
As you can see on our right hand side, there is the analysis for Euro USD for 1 hour. So guys, you can come on this AI chatbot tool and ask for the chatbot tool to do an analysis for you within seconds, guys. The whole analysis for whatever pair that you like, whether it's crypto, whether they are stocks, whether they are currencies, it analyzes for you.
Exactly, guys.
So as you can see, we wanted to ask about any upcoming news events. So we just type, and then .b will give us all the upcoming news events, so that we are up to date with all the any upcoming Gbpusd news events. As you can see, guys, the results are out within second. So this is the news events we are expecting in the upcoming days. On Thursday, June 10, there is the UK GDP, And then there is the UK manufacturing production, April, June 2020.
The country's economic well-being. So this news is going to be very effective in terms of the market. It can move the market is so volatile that a long range of prices in a short period of time.
Yeah, so as you can see, we are now up to date with all the upcoming news on GBPUSD. So let us go back to our analysis. We are now aware of the upcoming news. This is why I always like .be AI chatbot. It's fast and efficient. Yes, you are always up to date.
Exactly. Instead of putting all the indicators, the RSI, it can put for you.
Yes. So guys, the link for .be is in the description. You should check it out.
Yeah.
So back to our analysis.
Guys. Yeah. So you're saying that we are going to have GDP news.
Yes.
For the GBPUSD. So we are expecting fireworks.
Yes. So we'll be monitoring it so that we can see
how price
is going to react.
So guys, usually with the GDP news, as you can see, these gray zones, these zones over here, price will do impulsive moves to fake out a trend.
Okay.
So if you are not cautious enough, you may lose money. So for example here, price may buy, and then most of the traders will buy these ones, saying, no, this one is a order block, and then they will buy. But then as you can see, price is changing character into sales. So as you buy these zones, price will then stop you out with this impulsive selling moves. Because usually these zones, as we analyze the gold pairs, as you saw in that gold pair, price was doing fake outs here and then it sold, and then doing fake outs here and then it sold, until it reaches the zone of interest, like here,
like that low.
So we're not saying price will move to this zone as quickly as possible, but we are just being cautious that price may do a trend like this, like impulsive buys and then stopping people out, impulsive buys and then stopping people out.
Okay. Man, I can't wait.
Yeah.
I can't wait for our confirmation. So guys, as you can see after the analysis, I know you have your own
questions,
your own analysis. Maybe you've got your own way of confirming. So before you enter in trade, guys, always be aware, because the market,